Is there a difference between speaking to animals intuitively versus using a tarot cards to communicate with them? Hi, my name is Akshaya Kavre. I'm a nature and animal communicator and a tarot card reader, and I now use both these modalities to help me connect better with nature and animals around me. Oftentimes, a lot of people ask me if there's a difference between just intuitively speaking to animals or using tarot cards for the same. Some people even come to me and tell me that they specifically want a tarot card reading and not just intuitive communication too. While I don't generally take these requests because I prefer intuitively connecting with the animals to as opposed to relying on my tarot cards, I'm going to share with you personally what I feel the difference between the two is and why my preference is as such as I have already mentioned to you. So, the first difference that I primarily find between the two is when I'm communicating intuitively with the animal, it's like a conversation. It's like you and I are speaking face to face or on a call, and I get to hear the animal's perception from them directly. So, I'm not here interpreting any information, there are no interpretations, there are no assumptions. It's more related to what the animal wishes to share out of their own free will, of course. And if I don't understand a few things, then I can ask the animal about it, or I can tell the human and let them make sense of what the animal is sharing, because there are so many times that the animals may share something that the human can make sense of, but as a communicator we don't understand it, we don't have the context. So that is how I look at intuitive communication. Now, on the other hand, when we are speaking of tarot cards, I use tarot cards as a tool to bring more tangibility to my communication. So it's generally never my first go to. I would first speak to the animal, and if I want more tangibility, more clarity, or if I feel stuck, sometimes if I feel like I'm not able to ask better questions or not get to the deep rooted cause, then I use tarot cards as an additional layer for tangibility as well. This is because I love tarot cards, and it's always been my first love. I started tarot cards way before I started communication. However, I also feel that tarot cards are based on the imagery and the visuals of the cards. So I find it easier to gain clarity about a message that the animal has already given me and then ask the cards about that specific message, rather than just generally just pulling out cards for the animal or even communicating with the cards. So for me, the tarot cards can bring in more insight, basically more tangibility to it, because oftentimes with communication, since it's so intangible, it can get a little confusing, and it's an additional layer, a different layer to the communication for me. Now, does this mean that tarot cards or other intuitive communication is better than tarot cards? Honestly, it's up to you, your preference. I know a lot of people who prefer tarot cards because they are more used to it, or they just have a connection with the cards. For me, I prefer directly connecting with the animal, and like I said, it's just a personal preference. These tools are so beautiful and so personalized that each individual will bring something very unique on the table, and everyone has their different ways of doing things. So, if it comes to communicating with an animal, I prefer intuitive communication rather than just pulling out the cards, but there is absolutely nothing wrong if you want to depend on the cards. In fact, if you're already well versed with the cards and you want to enter the area of communication, you can start with the cards, get guidance from your animals, and then slowly and steadily move towards the intuitive communication part as well. I just feel like having that conversation with the animal is far more exciting for me than just pulling out the cards and reading the cards. I also feel that sometimes with reading, a lot of it is open to my interpretation of the cards, whereas with communication, it comes directly from the source. And this again is not necessarily a problem, but I would really like to get that information directly from the animal rather than using cards as the medium. So that's why I first get information, and if I feel I need something more, then I go to these cards and get that clarity as well. Whatever said and done, when it comes to health, when it comes to behavior, ensure that you're always reaching out to the right professionals such as the doctors and the behaviorists, and to understand them emotionally and energetically, we can always use tools like intuitive communication and tarot cards. Whichever you choose, make sure you choose what works the best for you and what you feel connected the most to, because that is the only way you'll get authentic information from the animal. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and found it helpful. Do mention in the comment section below which modality you prefer and the reason for it. Until the next video, bye bye.